next one about the task expert. Firstly, you should create and then put the camera into the task to the additional task, and then the task will be shown. You have to use the USB to link the phone and the computer, and then the test will be shown on the computer. It is very good. It will very efficiently. And next, about the MP3. Maybe someone likes to listen to music, so we can push some music in it. And whenever you feel lonely and want to excited to listen to some music to relax yourself, and you can put and the volume button could be higher and could be lower. About this pen, now we have the 60% discount, very perfect price opportunities. In the camera is we use TTS pronunciation and then the OCT technology. So this pen is with high technology and quality. So I can't wait to use this pen to go around the world and see different countries' friends, communicate with them about our funny, interesting things in my life. So don't miss this chance.